Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Gillian here and I have just got home from work. I have changed into this big cosy hoodie. I don't know if you've seen these on Instagram, but I got mine off like Groupon or something. It's just a big cosy fleece thing that you can tuck your knees into. Don't judge me, it's very cold in my house. But today, anyway, I wanted to share with you everything I got at Marks and Spencer's from the Plant Kitchen range. So I filled a big bag of stuff and I just wanted to show you what I got. Now it is more expensive. I think the total of this was £20, but I had been wanting to try it. As soon as I saw it, the things that came out in the range, I wanted to try it because it's new and exciting. I don't eat like this all the time. If you follow my channel, you know I follow Slimming World, so a lot of these might not be Slimming World friendly, but I'm sure I can sin it some ways. Anyway, we will start off with this pizza. This is all from Plant Kitchen range, and this was reduced actually to £1.44 from £4. So I can freeze this or just have it tomorrow. I don't know what the date on it is, but I assume, yeah, it's out of date today. So I'll freeze it for tomorrow night for dinner or the rest of the week. So this is just a 3-cheese stone-baked pizza. I've never had this one before. I've had the flatbread one before and it was nice. So I'm excited to try this. And if you didn't already know, my fiance Ryan is doing veganuary, and like a lot of this I bought thinking of him, that he might like to try, just to show him that being vegan can be really tasty. So hopefully he likes this stuff too. The thing I actually went for was this. I saw it all over Instagram and I was so excited to try it. It is, if it would focus, the Plant Kitchen No Chicken Kiev, and I used to love chicken Kievs and I have not had one. It'll be over 6 years ago now, so I'm excited to try this, and if it lives up to my expectations I want to buy some for my mum and dad to try as well, because they still eat chicken Kievs and this would be a good alternative because they're really supportive and interested in trying out veganism. So the next thing I got was not mozzarella sticks. I've tried the Morrison's ones and they're really nice too. I think their range is V-Taste, but when I saw these I really wanted to try them. They look so realistic. I think these will be really nice, and it comes with, I'm guessing it's ketchup, let's see, a tomato and herb dip. So yeah, I thought Ryan could try these. I feel like I've got used to the vegan cheese thing, like it's hard to get a decent vegan cheese. It's getting better. The next thing I'm going to show you is a good example of the improvements with the vegan cheese, but I think I've like forgot what real cheese tastes like by now, and Ryan's, he's only a week into veganuary so he still knows the difference between real cheese and vegan cheese, but I just hope that he likes these. So yeah, I had these at New Year's. Ryan's mum actually got them for us, and Ryan's little cousins, excuse me, my rabbits are causing trouble, sorry about that. Anyway, like I was saying, Ryan's little cousins had these and they didn't know that they were vegan, and they really liked them, so I think these taste really nice. I actually did wonder if they were vegetarian rather than vegan because of how good they were. It's just, oh, you don't get that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the pack. I think these were £3, so that's quite dear for 8, but I wanted Ryan to try these, so yep, look forward to that. Another thing I got is just potatoes. That wasn't in the plant range obviously, but I needed them for tonight's dinner because I'm going to make the chicken Kiev's chips and sweet corn. However, the last two things are for dessert for tonight and I'm very excited. We have churros. It comes with 10 churros. Now I think this was £4, which is ridiculous for churros, but like I said, I was excited to try them and went a bit mental. It comes with a pot of chocolate sauce. However, I did spy this and thought it would be good because I don't think that's enough chocolate sauce, to be fair. And this is smooth hazelnut chocolate spread, again from Plant Kitchen range. I can't remember how much this was, but I will just check. £2.50, so that's not too bad. Let me just smell it. Oh, that smells good. Very hazelnutty. So hopefully Ryan thinks it tastes similar to Nutella. Fingers crossed. But I think he'll like churros anyway. And yeah, that is all what I got from M&S today. I just thought I would share because it's quite exciting getting new vegan stuff in, and maybe it'll make you want to go and check it out. There was quite a lot on sale as well because I went I think just after 5, so if you ever want to try stuff but the price is putting you off, you could go later on at night and see what bargains they have. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you want to see what I thought of these products once I try them, then do follow me on Instagram. The handle is @itsGillianMarshall. I will put it down below and on the screen here. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you all in my next one. Bye! In the beginning it was like, wait,